I am Mrs. Geeta R. Pai, one of the trustees of GSBS Medical Trust. As I am not a doctor, I take immense pleasure in participating and organizing in all the camps here. We have got public service camps organized by GSBS Medical Trust. Especially cancer detection screening camps are very important. Every month, Medical Trust has started this cancer screening camp. But you might ask, why did we start this? There is a reason for it. In the last couple of months, there were so many ladies coming for a mammography test. And then our doctors came and told Dr. Suhas Prabhu, the chairperson of this organization, that there are so many ladies coming for this checkup. Maybe something is wrong at the present. So Dr. Suhas Prabhu told us, why don't we hold a camp? Which was an excellent idea. So within a month's time, we started this cancer screening camp for women above the age of 45, which was, according to our doctors, it is an ideal age for women. Why this cancer screening camp is important and why should ladies get themselves enrolled for this camp? Generally, when the cancer is at the early stage, there are no symptoms. If it is treated at the early stage, there is 100% cure. Private hospital, one has to shell out at least 6,000 rupees and a day-long procedure in the hospitals you have to spend. Whereas here the appointment is given and everything is so well organized that within 2.5 hours, the person who gets into this health action, the person can go out with complete checkup. And the only registration charges we are asking for ladies is 500 rupees, not more than that. So it is good to get themselves registered for this camp. Come for the camp, take an appointment, do not waste your time. Especially even ladies going to their office, they take early morning appointments, 8:30. And 10:30 they leave the medical trust and then they go to their office also. So much of facility is given here according to their convenience. And doctors do come at different hours. We have got different doctors for each of these tests. The way the public has cooperated with us, the way people are coming forward as patients, similarly people are coming forward to sponsor this program. We have got enough number of doctors, we have got good equipment, but sponsorship was equally important. Every month we have got not only a sponsor, for the next 4-5 months we have got sponsors list ready here. Thanks to the general public, it is my prime duty to thank all the persons who have sponsored this. Then initially we were doing it only for ladies. Then one of the men who accompanied his wife, he said, you are doing it only for the ladies. Why not men? That brought us another idea. So we said, within 2 months, we said, we'll have cancer detection camp for men also. Thereafter, we started that camp. As generally it happens, there is good response from ladies for ladies camp. For men, there wasn't good response. But gradually it is going up. Now we are having it alternate or once in 3 months. You might ask, why in Health Rakshak? Because for this Health Rakshak is one place where all the equipments are available for cancer screening camp. Also, we have got extremely good doctors whom we are really grateful to them. They are all coming for this health camps. So it is possible for us to hold these camps here. 6 years, 734 patients, lady patients have been screened for breast cancer. Out of that, 22 patients have been detected cancer patients. Immediately they are called again and they are given another sonography to make sure there is cancer in their breast. It keeps us all very happy because Medical Trust has gone into public health. And it keeps you happy and it keeps your family happy. That is why it is very important you come to the Medical Trust, you get themselves screened for the cancer detection camp. Please do come, make use of the opportunity, and then you will feel happy that you have done it. And if at all, I pray that you all keep good health.